Let's make peanut butter fruit Dream-Wiches. This recipe makes 1 serving. For this recipe, you will need 2 pieces of whole wheat bread, 1 tablespoon of creamy peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of low-fat ricotta cheese, 1/4 of an apple, and 1 tablespoon of honey. You will also need a plate, 2 knives, and a measuring spoon. First, always wash your hands and the surfaces before working with foods. Be sure to wash the apple and then cut it into thin slices. Spread the peanut butter on 1 piece of bread. Then spread the ricotta cheese on the other piece of bread. Place the apple slices on 1 piece of bread and drizzle it with honey. Put both slices of bread together and enjoy! Refrigerate leftovers immediately.